Hello, this is my reflective game discussion for the C# module. So let's begin by getting into it. So first of all, I wanted to speak about the mechanics that I want to put into the game. First of all is the dodge mechanic, and in the game already I've got a slight amount of this, as you can see here. The character rolls in each direction, the speed increases depending on how fast the player is going. For example, if I would start sprinting with shift, then the roll or dodge mechanic goes a lot farther, as it would in real life if you're sprinting and running. Um, I'm happy with where this is right now. I don't really think I need to add anything to it. It's all the basic stuff. Um, Next is traps. So the first trap I've got so far is this moving obstacle, which I've put as a fire for now. And as you can see, if you walk into it, it does damage to your player. Possibly, if I have time, I'd like to animate this so it's the fire is actually moving rather than just a static image going to and fro. Um, but other than that, that's the first one. The next one is these mines here. As you can see, just blew me up. You can get to the animation because it didn't play quick enough. I'll go back there quickly. But I animated it using a VFX manager to change to from the mine animation to the explosion animation all in one. They call two separate animations in the script for that, and as you can see, it applies the damage when the explosion actually goes off rather than when you walk over first step over the mine. And the final trap, if I will go over here, is down the bottom here, and it's a spike trap. It animates and goes up and down. I've got a few of them around the world, and it does 35 damage. And yeah, if you walk into it, you get a damage applied. Obviously, my health was lower, so it went. I died quickly. If I go back to it in a moment, it should be able to show the damage that it does. There we go. So the level's not complete at the moment. I still want to add a few things, which leads me to the next point of the weapon mechanic. The current weapon that I've got is this pistol, which I will add a UI at the bottom soon to show which weapon you've got selected at the moment. I plan to have two other weapons, so I'll have like a pistol, a rifle, and I haven't quite decided on the third one yet, but it'll probably be something like a shotgun or maybe a sniper rifle. And they'll have different projectiles and different things. So that's the next part that I want to add on. So far, I'm happy with the progress that I have made within the game. I've got enemies, I've got traps, I've got two of the mechanics that I want to implement so far. The third mechanic is just a simple addition just to the UI, and then just pickups around the map which I'll place in certain positions. But yeah, the final thing I need to add is just the winning screen. So far I think that the project is coming along quite well. Um, Personally, I'm not a fan of 2D games such as these, so I wasn't really sure uh, what to go for when I started making the game, but I decided to go with something like this where you collect the score. But I'm not familiar with many of the mechanics, so I have to do a lot of research based on that and study up on what's fun and what's not, what mechanics are used. But that's it.